One coat wood revival for $2. DIY deck, fence, and furniture rescue. A classic restoration blend, equal parts boiled linseed oil, white vinegar, and turpentine, dissolves surface oxidation. Vinegar drives oil deep into the grain. Linseed and accelerates penetration and curing. Turpentine. Work on clean, dry wood, apply with a rag or brush along the grain, wipe off excess after 10 to 15 minutes, then repeat a second coat after 24 hours. Covers 30 to 40 square feet per quart, restores color, fills and strengthens fibers from within, and often removes the need for sanding or replacement. Key cautions: use boiled linseed oil, not raw, for faster cure. Test on a hidden area first. Linseed-soaked rags can spontaneously combust. Spread them flat to dry outdoors or submerge in water and dispose safely. Avoid use where clear polyurethane finish is intact or on painted/matte surfaces.